Baby sis? Hi, baby. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Baby just woke up. How was your sleep, baby girl? Happy ang baby girl? Hi, baby. What's with that tongue? Hi. No, Papa? Okay. He skipped me and just go directly to baby sis. Look, he didn't even kiss mama. Kiss mama first. He just skipped me like, go away mama, I need baby sis only. Kuya, kiss mama. Good morning, kuya. You skip mama? Why? You don't love mama anymore? Only baby sis? Oh no. Kuya. Happy Sunday, everyone. We're here at Valencia. Sunday market sa Valencia. Daming tao. Parang uulan. But I wanted to buy flowers. But it's gonna rain now. Let's eat first. Papa is buying coffee. What is it? Do you want juice? Which one? Pink berry?
Yeah, pink.
Bili daw ng cotton candy si Yuri para sa kanya at para sa kanyang friend. Para kay kuya, anak ni Lenlen. Only one for you, okay? Blue?
Yeah.
Blue for you and also blue for kuya? Okay. Let's go to Papa, come on. Kuya, come on. Wheat ciabatta sandwich. Alright, let's find a seat. Let's find a place to sit. I bought healthy juice. Beetroot. Diyan, may mga healthy juice sila dyan.
That?
No, I don't want. It's a bread sandwich. Look, we can share you and yours and mine.
Have 2 wheat.
This is yours and mine. Yeah, wheat. I ordered wheat sandwich. Wheat ciabatta.
Ah!
With
No.
chicken, bacon, some lettuce, tomatoes. Yummy! Let's wipe your hands first. One for kuya, one for mama, and one box for papa.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Look, he's eating your other part. Yummy, kuya. Careful, kuya. Mag-slide si Yuri. One bite.
No, no.
One bite. Big bite.
Salad.
Only salad. They already have a friend. Ayun si Yuri, ang bilis makahanap ng kaibigan. Meron na siyang friend. Pa.
We're trying to defend ourselves.
Dimitri is playing his game here.
1 month later.
Matagal siyang hindi nakapaglaro sa kanyang PS5. Wala siyang meeting ngayon. Wala siyang trabaho ngayon. Day off. Kaya enjoy muna siya dyan sa kanyang PS5. Yuri, can you put the trash here in our trash bag? Ayan na ang aming baby girl. Magdidi na daw siya kasi nagutom na ang baby girl.
Baby. Hello. Hey.
Joel, give me a hand on this.
With banana?
We smash it.
What is yogurt good for?
It's
It's good for your
some protein.
gut and protein. Yogurt is protein.
Without protein also.
Banana is salt. Banana has potassium. No, Kuya, mango. You don't want mango? I'm just eating mango, baby, please.
Yeah, but she doesn't. And Ryan was called dumb. Ryan is dumb. That one was sort of true.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at our harvest from our garden. Namunga na yung mga ampalaya at okra ni Mama. Tatlong tatlong ampalaya at yan, okra. Pagluto tayo ng ampalaya. Ay. Caramel macchiato. Let's eat. Si Dimitri, mamaya na daw siya mag-lunch kasi kakakain lang niya ng snack. Ako mag-lunch ako kasi nagutom ako. Mabilis kong magutom talaga pag papadede ako. I'm gonna eat. Kuya Yuri, come here. Let's eat. Yuri! Come here. Let's eat. Yummy ang palaya. Lami ang palaya, lami.
Yeah.
Medyo mainit na ngayong araw, guys. Manageable pa naman, pero gagamit kami ng aircon. First time namin gamitin ang aircon. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. My new baby, bougainvillea. Good morning, guys. May nabili akong mga tanim kahapon. Pinapalipat ko kay Ate Abloy doon sa my garden area. Ayan. Mga bulaklak ang nabili ko kahapon. So si Marshall, paling hugawa. Kinagat-kagat ni Marshall kagabi. Andun si Marshall. Nilagay sa leash kasi dinidig niya yung mga tinanim ni Auntie Abloy. Tsada na kay dira te? Tsada na. Mura na og true. Wow, that's our garden. Flower garden.
Putingan, yung bubuan sa pwede ko sa ribbon.
Ayan, mga roses. Ano sa pangalan aning usa? Dahlia. Tsada kayo ang Dahlia is very beautiful. Pangalan nun sa anak ni Ann Curtis, Dahlia. Dahlia Amelie. Let's go! Punta kami sa beach. Maliligo kami ng beach. Maliligo kami ng dagat. Maliligo ng beach. Mag-beach kami. Maliligo kami ng dagat ngayon. We're here na at the beach. There is baby Mia with her beautiful swimming suit. But she will not swim. Mia will swim or no?
Mia?
Yeah. It's cold.
You have towel person?
Yeah. Kuya is eating Oreo. Put on sunscreen, Kuya. Where's Kuya's sunscreen?
Inside my them?
Money. Eat, Kuya. Straight your back.
And show them.
So many, oy.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you bring some up?
Forgot. Da.
Never.
Хорошо. Yung last time namin nagpunta dito, nag-beach. Naligo dito. May mag-asawang foreigner na umapak dyan sa corals. Buti na lang nakita nung taga-bantay. Kaya ayan o, nilagyan na nila ng ganyan. Please don't step on the corals. With Korean, Chinese, and Russian translation. Okay, Papa is done swimming. Kami naman ni Yuri ang mag-swim. Baby sis will stay here with Papa.
He's crying. Агушечка. You have your own nose.
Kuya is playing. Kuya, just here. Don't stay under the sun. Crab! Look, he found a crab. Uh-oh. It's a crabby crab. May maraming mga divers ngayon. Scuba divers. Ayan. Nilipat namin sa pot yung mga ganitong flower. Ang cute nito. Oh, ang ganda ng flower na yan. Baka? Where is Journey? Huh? Lunch namin, chicken, liver and breast na may mga veggies. Yay! You did it! You did it, baby sis! 3 times na siyang nagganon. Nag-roll over siya. First time mag-roll over ni baby sis today. Oh, but so sad. It's okay, baby sis. You did it. You did it. Strong ang among baby. Very strong. Good morning, guys. Maglilipat kami ni Ate Abloy ng mga seedling namin dito. Yung mga seeds na tinanim ko last 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago yata yun. Nag-sprout na siya, so ililipat namin doon sa aking garden beds kasi pinaayos ko din yung garden ko doon. Pinalagyan ko ng bagong chicken fence or net, ano tawag doon, basta mas matibay na siya kasi yung hindi na siya plastic. So ayan, ito yung mga seedlings, mga seeds na tinanim ko 3 weeks ago. Nag-sprout siya, malalaki na yung iba. And ito naman mga 1 month na yata to or less than a month. And yung iba kinain ng mga uod, tapos naulanan yung iba. So ayan, namatay yung iba. Ay, kasi naulanan sila. Lakas kasi ng ulan dito noong nakaraang araw. Tapos may mga papaya dito, mga pinatubo ni Ate Abloy na papaya. Lipat namin sa garden. Ito, mga dill to. Galing to sa Russia. Ang mga buto ng dill at saka kamatis ay galing sa Russia. Pinadala ng aking mother-in-law. Ito galing to sa... Yung ibang kamatis naman dito din ay galing sa ibang city ng Russia. Dinala nung kaibigan namin sila Alexander at Zoraida. So mix to. Mix. May Filipino walang Filipino tomato. Mga Russian tomato to. Ito naman dito is from Philippines lang. I think from Philippines lang to. Nakalimutan ko. Basta. Achal, kamatis, ito carrots, dill. Itong carrots galing lang to dito. Sa Robinsons ko nabili ang buto. Ito namatay yung aking mint. Sana maano pa siya. Nakalimutan ko. Nilagay ko dun sa may garage namin. Carport, I mean. At saka naano siya. Nakalimutan kong diligan. Natuyo tuloy. Meron din kami tinanim dito na orchids. So tara guys, lipat natin to.
Yeah, like
Binagurhan ay, binagsara.
yeah.
Pinagsara natin. Kay muda ko maguna siya. Muda ko.
Like that. Yeah.
Butangan ra ba?
Yeah. Baka, no, go inside, Baka. Go out, Baka.
Baka, go out.
Yeah, go out.
Ay, nakasulod. Mama, call Baka.
Ada po ng screen no?
Baratuhon man to.
Yuri, look!
Community garden.
Good manners.
Mama, where?
Mm.
Baka.
Walking.
Bang.
Unang tako, lima. Manok ni Nabi ba? Maihaw na.
Wala mo lalo mo na mo. Baby sis? Crying, baby sis? She's looking for mama. Mama was in the garden, baby sis. Mama was planting tomatoes. Tomato. Tomato. Ay! Why is that here? You murdered it.